another new product announcement. Came up with these little clips. And what they do is they solve a problem that I just noticed I started having, and it's with the ARB Awning. The velcro, it just starts to wear out and it doesn't stick like it used to. So I was chatting with my mate Jed from Camper Van Culture the other day to hold that, but I came up with something I think is a little bit better. When you pull it out of the package, you'll find it has a nice satisfying little click. You can hear this. It almost sounds like it's going to break, but you can hear that. That's normal, no problem at all. It's part of the 3D printing process. And installation is pretty easy. All you're going to do is take the curvy end, put it on the top, it snaps right on and just stays there. You can buy one, or you can buy a set of 8, whatever you need for your awning, and that will keep the velcro stuck together. You won't have to worry about that. It's just a quick little product. Also made them in a bright orange color so that if you drop it, it'll be easy. It'll be easy for you to find it in the grass or wherever you are. So I hope this video sees you well, and these will be available in the web shop quite soon. Talk to you later.